I have already painted base gel and color gel. At first, draw a butterfly with Story Gel 301 black. Start drawing from the one you like, light or red. An important point for drawing thin lines. Draw with a small amount of color gel. And do not strengthen when drawing a line. If you don't know where to draw, turn customer's hand over and check. In the position of the opposite wing, it is easy to draw if you put a mark first, so small point. Make the outline thicker little by little. If you draw thick in a hurry, it is difficult to correct. First draft, make only the part you want to make darker. When you finish drawing the outline, draw a teardrop on the inside. Make radial lines from the teardrop shape. Larger wings also draw teardrop inside. Draw lines in between. One day, my customer gave me a good idea, that is, not drawing the face and torso. New designs are born through conversation with customers, the fun of salon work. If you don't draw the face and body, the insectiness will decrease. Measure drawing a triangle around the line. If you want to draw thick outline, even if you add at this timing. At first time, it may be difficult to draw butterflies. Once you get used to it, you can draw in about 10 minutes. I also took about 20 minutes at first. Finish draw a butterfly, 10 seconds to cure with LED light. Next, add color after curing. #213 purple on the upper right and lower left wings. 74 blue on top left and bottom right. If you put colors diagonally, it looks like a beautiful balance. Draw 171 to the empty area. Add colors while looking at the balance. Next, I will draw flowers around butterflies. This white color is Storage 001. It is moderately hard. You can draw thick, thin, and transparent 001 that can be used in various ways. Draw leaves, stems, and flowers. If you don't know how to draw a flower, you can also refer to images such as Instagram. And you can also refer to the book. I bought this in Amazon. The picture of flowers is nearing completion. Cure with LED light 10 seconds. After curing, coloring the leaves and stems. I recommend to draw the leaves and stem in khaki because it can be feel antique mood. Next, coloring the flowers with your favorite color. I painted light blue, purple, and yellow around the leaves. It's beautiful enough to finish as it is. Add shadows to make it even better and add more depth. Take brown on the liner lash. I will add a shadow. Use a small amount of color gel on the brush. To this I will add a blur, so draw appropriately at first. I'm using the Story Gel Art Oval. This brush is really easy to use for flower art. I really recommended it. Cure for 30 seconds after drawing a line. It has an antique feel recommended for picture frames or painting art. Take a small amount on a makeup sponge tip and rub gently. After this, apply top gel and you're done. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this movie, please subscribe and push the good button. And check my Instagram. What kind of video do you want to see? Please write your comments and impressions. See you soon.